Welcome back to Paige Rose Design and third installment of Halloween Ornaments. Today's project is my version of a sinister clown. Starts the same way the first two have, with a plastic doll face and a 3-inch styrofoam ball. I've gessoed the doll face with white gesso. I'm going to use brilliant blue Liquitex paint for the eyes, black gesso, red paint, and I like something that looks sort of bloody, so I'm using Tomty Red Delta paint for the mouth, and yellow, Indian yellow Liquitex for the eyeballs. And then I'm going to use a little bit of extender with the black matte gesso to dirty up the face and make him look even more sinister. So to get started, I'm going to start with the eyes and the mouth, two biggest areas of paint. I'm going to use a round brush. A 5 round in this case. I'm just going to come in and paint an arch over the eye. While the blue paint's drying, I'm going to paint on the mouth. I'm going to really exaggerate the mouth, dip low onto the chin. Come out onto the cheeks. Fill in the entire eyeball with Indian yellow. While you're waiting for the eyes and the mouth to dry, and come in with a short liner brush and paint on his eyebrows. Switch to the fine liner at the end of the eyebrows at the outside edge, and then also add his sinister little teardrops. Now scoop around, line up that upper eye. Dip the end of my paintbrush into the black gesso. Put a dot right in the middle of his eye. Beauty little eyes. Voila. And as soon as this dries, then I'm going to come in with extender and black gesso, and we're just going to dirty up his face a little bit around his eyes and around the whole outside of his face and his neck. I'm going to use a stencil brush for that, for dirtying up his face. Just some loose bristles. Pounce a lot of the paint out of your brush to start off. Make sure it's just a really very dry brush. I'm just going to come in and pounce around the edge. We've gone too far with the black paint like I have here. Just go in with a little bit of white. I think that works. So from this point, you're going to glue the hair on, which It's just multicolored pom-poms from the Dollar Tree. And I wanted to emphasize his lips, so I used red all along his face, and then I used all the multicolor to cover the rest of the styrofoam ball. Once your hair's dried enough, the glue that you stuck your pom-poms on with is dried enough. Again, put a spot glue at the top and shove an eye screw down in. And that way you have something to hang it. Thanks for joining me. Come back for the 4th installment.